Creating a killer fish tank involves 10 steps to ensure the health and well-being of the fish while also making the tank visually appealing. Don't miss a step with this step-by-step guide. Choose an appropriate size tank based on the number and type of fish you plan to keep. Larger tanks generally provide more stable water conditions and more swimming space for the fish. Place the tank away from direct sunlight and drafts to prevent temperature fluctuations and algae growth. Make sure the surface it rests on can support its weight. Invest in a quality filtration system to keep your water clean and free of toxins. Consider a combination of mechanical, biological, and chemical filtration for optimal results. Use a substrate like gravel or sand for the tank bottom, and decorations such as rocks, driftwood, and artificial plants to provide hiding spots and visual interest for the fish. Research the fish species you want to keep to ensure they are compatible in terms of temperament, water parameters, and tank size. Avoid overcrowding the tank and choose fish that will coexist peacefully. Regularly test the water for pH, ammonia, nitrate, and nitrate levels using a test kit. Perform water changes as needed to maintain optimal water quality. Choose appropriate lighting for your tank based on the needs of the fish and live plants, if any. Avoid excess lighting, as it can promote algae growth. Offer a varied diet of high-quality fish food to meet the nutritional needs of your fish. Avoid overfeeding, as uneaten food can pollute the water. Keep an eye on your fish for any signs of illness or distress. Quarantine new fish before adding them to the main tank to prevent the spread of disease. Perform regular maintenance tasks such as cleaning the glass, vacuuming the substrate, and pruning live plants, if any. Replace filter media as needed to ensure optimal filtration. By following these steps and providing proper care, even you can create a killer fish tank that not only looks great, but also provides a healthy environment for your fish to thrive. Thanks for watching.